Welcome to mathematics class, complex numbers, part 11. So far we have been dealing with the geometrical representation of complex numbers in orgone plane in the previous class. As we know, every complex number can be represented as a point in the orgone plane. So in continuation of the last class, let us practice some more problems based on this concept, geometrical representation of complex numbers in org. ఇచ్చినటువంటి 4 సంకీర్ణ సంఖ్యల చే సూచించబడే బిందువులు ఆర్గాన్ తలం పైన రాంబస్ యొక్క శీర్షాలు అని చూపాలి. In the previous class, there was a problem given 4 points to show that they are the vertices of a square. చతురస్రాన్ని మనం గతంలో సూచించడం జరిగింది. సో ఇప్పుడు all 4 sides are equal in both, but in the case of square the diagonals are equal. In the case of rhombus the diagonals are not equal. So we have to prove this, finding lengths of all the 4 sides and diagonals. Now let the 4 points represented by the complex numbers be, the first point A is equal to -2,7. The second point -3/2, 1/2, -3/2, 1/2. Third point 4, -3. Fourth point 7/2, 7/2. So these are the 4 points represented by the given complex numbers. We have to find lengths of all the 4 sides AB, CD. We have to find AB, BC, CD and 2 diagonals AC, BD. Now let us find the distance between 2 points A, B. By using the distance formula, we can find x2 minus x1 whole square and y2 minus y1 whole square. -3/2 plus 2, -3/2 plus 2 whole square plus 1/2 minus 7, y2 minus y1 whole square. Taking LCM, 2 2 is 4, 4 minus 3 is 1/2. This is 1/2 whole square plus this is 7 2 is 14 minus 1, 13/2 minus 13/2 or plus 13/2 minus 13/2 square. One by 2 whole square is 1/4. 13 square 169 by 4. (169) plus 1, this is 170 by 4. 170 by 4. AB length. Now let us find the BC, length of the side BC. And y2 minus y1. If you want, you can write the points here. The B minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. C 4 minus 3. So x2 minus x1. 4 plus 3 by 2. Minus 3 minus 1 by 2. Minus 3 minus 1 by 2 whole square. 4 2 j 8 plus 3, 11 by 2. 11 by 2 whole square. 3 2 ja 6 minus 6 1 minus 7 by 2. Whole square. This is 11 square, 121 by 4. And 7 square is 49 by 4. That is equal to 121 plus 49 is 170 by 4. This is BC. AB, BC are equal. Now let us find another side AB, BC, CD. Now let us find, let us take C 4 comma 3, 4 minus 3, and D 7 by 2, 7 by 2. Now CD x2 minus x1, 7 by 2 minus 4, 7 by 2 minus 4, y2 minus y1, 7 by 2 plus minus minus will become plus 3. Now this is equal to 4 2 ja 8, 7 minus 8. This is minus 1 by 2. 3 2 ja 6 plus 7, 13 by 2 whole square, and that is equal to under root 1 by 4, 169 by 4. Therefore, the CD is equal to under root 170 by 4. 3 sides. Next, the fourth side. We can calculate the fourth side by using the same formula. Now let us calculate DA. Now what is D? Now take the point D, 7 by 2, 7 by 2, and A minus 2, 7. Now, distance between dA under root minus 2 minus 7 by 2 or 7 by 2 plus 2. You can take anyway. X2 minus x1 minus 2 minus 7 by 2 y2 minus y1 7 minus 7 by 2 2 to the 4 7 minus 4 minus 7 minus 11 by 2 minus 11 by 2 7 to the 14 minus 7 7 by 2. So this is equal to 121 by 4 plus 49 by 4. So that is equal to 170 by 4. dA is also equal to 170 by 4. All four sides are equal. Now we have to find the diagonals. Karnalanu kanukovali. Lengths of the diagonals. 4 కర్ణాల 2 కర్ణాలను కనుక్కోవాలి AC BD. Now let us take the points A and C. A is minus 2, 7 and C 4 minus 3. Now the distance between AC is equal to under root 4 plus 2 x2 minus x1 whole square, that is 4 plus 2 y2 minus y1 minus 3 minus 7 whole square. 4 plus 2 6 square minus 10 square under root. Now this will be 6 square 36, 10 square 100. Therefore, the first diagonal is under root 136. Now let us find the another diagonal, which is BD. Another diagonal BD. Now take the point B and D. Minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. And D 7 by 2, 7 by 2. D 7 by 2, 7 by 2. The distance between BD 7 by 2 plus 3 by 2. And y2 minus y1 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So this is equal to 7 plus 3 10 by 2 and 7 minus 1 6 by 2. So that will be under root 5 square plus 3 square that is under root y square is 25, 3 square is 9, 25 plus 9, 34. So BD is 34. Now we have found all four sides and two diagonals. So now we can write the sides AB, BC, CD and DA, all four sides are equal, and the diagonals AC not equal to BD. So sides equal, diagonals not equal. Therefore, we can infer, therefore, the ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD rhombus, and ABCD points are vertices of a rhombus. So it is as simple as how we prove square. So square, rhombus are almost same, calculation is same, all four sides and two diagonals, but only the difference is in the case of square, the sides, four sides equal and two diagonals also equal, but in the case of rhombus, all the four sides are equal, but the diagonals are not equal. So this is how we prove this one. And let us 2z minus mod 2z minus 7, ఇది geometricalగా దీని రిప్రజెంటేషన్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో సూచించాలి. Now let z is equal to x plus iy, already given in the problem, and take the condition, given condition. Given condition is mod 2z minus 3 is equal to 7. Now writing z as x plus iy. So in place of z, you can write x plus iy minus 3 is equal to 7. So multiplying with 2, this is 2x plus 2iy minus 3 is equal to 7. 2x minus 3, the real parts I am separating, plus I to y is equal to 7. So this is modulus. Since modulus of x plus iy is equal to under root x square plus y square, we know this. So therefore, the modulus of this one is under root 2x minus 3 whole square plus 2y whole square is equal to 7. Now squaring on both sides, squaring both sides, here root will get cancelled and expand this one, a minus b whole square. This is a square is 4x square plus b square minus 2 to the 4, 4 3 ja 12x, and this is 4y square and 7 square is 49. So 49 bring left side. So this is 4x square plus 4y square minus 12x and plus 9 minus 49 is equal to 0. So this is 4x square plus 4y square minus 12x, 49 minus 9 minus 40. So you can divide the entire equation by 4. So this will give us x square plus y square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0, which is an equation of circle. So here this is an equation of circle. ఇది ఒక వృత్త సమీకరణం. So the geometrical representation of this one is a circle in this case. Just taking the given condition and substituting z as x plus iy and separating real and imaginary and taking the mod and simplifying, you will get the equation of a circle. Very simple problem. Now let us practice this one. Describe geometrically the following subset C. Z belongs to C, complex number mod z minus 1 plus 1 plus I is equal to 1. This is also almost similar. It is an example problem from the textbook. Now let the given set as S. S is a set of Z belongs to a complex number such that modulus of Z minus 1 plus I is equal to 1. Now take Z as Z is equal to x, y. So the set S is a set of ordered pairs xy belongs to the R cross R such that mod x plus iy, z in place of z, I am writing x plus iy plus I is equal to 1. Further simplifying this, xy such belongs to R cross R such that x taking I common, this is y plus 1 is equal to 1. Now further simplifying, S is equal to, it is a set of ordered pairs x comma y belongs to R cross R. So this is subset of complex number such that the modulus of, as mod z is equal to under root x square plus y square, here also x square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 1. And further this can be written as such that squaring both sides, this inside the conditions for squaring both sides, square will get cancel, x square plus y plus 1 whole square and 1 square is 1. So it is an equation of circle with center 0, minus 1 and let us z minus 1 is there. We missed this minus 1. Z minus 1. So now let us write minus 1 and here also minus 1. Here also this is minus 1 whole square. Here also minus 1 whole square. It is nothing but the equation of a circle with center 1, minus 1. Therefore, this is S is an equation of circle with center 1, minus 1 and radius 1 unit. Radius 1 unit. So this is 1 x minus h whole square y minus k whole square is equal to r square is the equation of circle. So this is an equation of circle. Now very simple, taking z as xy and x plus iy and taking the modulus, we get an equation of circle. Here